Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Kimmy from the Bridge Library, and today we're going to be making some DIY scrunchies. So these are DIY no sew scrunchies, so you don't have to sew them. There are methods where you can sew with the sewing machine or by hand, but thought this would be easier, just something you just need a hot glue gun for. So let's get started. So I'll show you what you need. So you're going to need some fabric. You can use an old t-shirt or some curtains, anything fabric that you can cut up that you don't need. You'll need a ruler, some scissors. I have fabric scissors, a cup or something round, maybe like a candle or just anything round. You need a pen so you can mark your measurements, and you need a hot glue gun. Oops, hit the window. And a hair tie. So I'm gonna move you guys down. Well, let's get started. So first, you're gonna lay your fabric out. I already have mine measured out already, but it's gonna be a 16 by 3. So if your ruler is only 12 inches, obviously, so you're just gonna add another 4 inches. So it's gonna be 12 inches, and then you just add another 4 to equal the 16. And then it's gonna be 3 inches wide right here. Let me get in the shot. This table moves in circles, and it's gonna be 3 inches right here from the top to bottom. So it's gonna be 16 inches long and 3 inches wide. So once you do that, I do the pen mark all the way down, but you don't have to. You know, you can cut straight. I just can't cut straight for my life. So that's how I do it. So I'm gonna toss that because I have one pre-cut over here, right here, ready. So first, you're gonna take your fabric, you're gonna lay it your pattern side up and your white side down, or whatever color it is on that side. And we're just gonna put some glue at the end right here. Sorry, my hand's so shaky with this gun. It's a little bit harder. And then we're just gonna attach that. Obviously, you're working with a hot glue gun, so just be careful. It's going to be hot. Just don't burn yourself or anything like that. So now you're gonna take your cup. I'm gonna put this around it. Obviously, it's gonna be too big, so we're just gonna take the hair tie. And this is where you have to kind of play with it a little bit. So we're gonna put the hair tie around the cup and put it in the middle of the fabric. Kind of center it the best you can. Okay. And then just move the fabric around a little bit. You don't want it scrunched up too much in one place. Like this place is really scrunched up, so I'm just gonna move it a little bit, unscrunch it. Just evenly do it. Okay, so now this is where you have to be super careful because you're gonna be working closely with the hot glue gun. So basically, we're gonna put glue on the bottom, and then we're gonna put the top together like this. So I'll show you guys. So we're gonna very carefully, we're gonna do small sections. I'm gonna put some glue on the bottom of this piece. And then we're gonna have this a little bit folded. And we're just gonna attach it. Okay. So I'm gonna make sure the bottom is folded a little bit, just like this. And the top is folded, and you just put it together. So I'm gonna bring it closer. See, it's a little bit folded right here. That's what you want. So I'm gonna do another little section. Some more glue. Make sure your bottom is folded and the top. And you're just gonna attach them together. And you keep doing that all the way around. So I'm gonna do some more. Make sure it is folded. Sometimes it will stay, sometimes you might have to hold it a little bit. Hopefully you have a better glue gun than I do. This one makes my hands really shake because you have to press the button a little bit hard. And then you put it together. And you just basically do that all the way around until you get, until it's all sealed, just like this one. You just do it all the way around. If you have some holes, you can just go back, put a little bit more, and then clamp it together. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm gonna finish a little bit more of this just to show you. So you take the bottom, you fold it a little bit, just this little bit, put some glue on it. Like I said, just do little sections at a time so you don't burn yourself. It doesn't take that long. It takes a little bit longer than just putting glue on all of it, but just take your time. It's just be so much easier so you don't burn yourself. I'm already halfway done with it and it's only been like a minute. And basically you just keep, I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera right now just because I already finished one, but that's basically all you do. So it closes all the way to the end and then you have your scrunchie just like that. So these are great for gifts or to keep for yourself. Obviously it's super easy and you can do whatever pattern you want. I got this fabric at Joann's, and I don't know if they're still doing curbside pickup, but they were doing curbside pickup before. Probably still are, but like I said, you can use t-shirts or curtains or any type of fabric that you have around that you can use for this, and then you just need a hair tie to put in the middle of it and then something around and a hot glue gun. So it's super easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully you try it and you make your own scrunchies. So have a good day and I'll see you this Thursday. Bye bye.